Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Hydrobeat Illumination. Bear with me here. This is a Bluetooth, waterproof, shower, pool, hot tub, anything with water speaker. So we're going to open up the box, and we're greeted with the speaker itself. I'm going to move that off to the side. We're going to take a look under it. Get a micro USB cable to charge it. And you get a quick start guide and user manual to tell you everything about it. I'm not going to read that here on this video because that's the purpose of this video. So here's the speaker itself. It is rather small. It's got this big suction cup on the back. Here's your charge port right in there. Got Hydrobeat branding on the front of it. And then on the top is your speaker grill, your power button, your volume up and skip track, volume down, skip back a track, you have your play, pause, stop, and your mode. Now this is also a FM radio. Plug it in. There's little lights inside the speaker grill that'll turn red and also are on this ring right there. Alright, I'm going to get my phone. We're going to pair this. We're going to press and hold the power button.
Power on.
And I believe it's in pairing mode. Yes, it is. I'm going to go to Bluetooth settings on my phone. You see it shows up here.
Paired.
Now it's connected to the phone. And before I get into playing stuff and showing you how it sounds, if you look right here, you can see a little hole. This is for the microphone. You can use this for speakerphone and answering phone calls and whatever you might want to use it for. If you press the power button, you can go through a couple different lighting modes. Right now it's on breathing. You see it changes through different colors. If I press it once, it goes to blue, teal, red, green, off, and then breathing. If I press mode,
FM radio.
switches to the radio, and then you can use the skip track buttons to seek your radio stations.
Bluetooth mode.
I'm going to put this down. I'm going to go open up my music and we'll play some Happy Life. So here's the Hydrobeat Illumination at half volume. And I'll do it again at full volume. So it gets decently loud. It's not the loudest speaker I've ever heard or ever tried. It's not the grainiest or quietest or worst sounding speaker I've tried. It's kind of somewhere in the happy medium area. And as I mentioned before, you can take this in the shower if you're into that kind of thing. You can use it in your pool, on a boat, the beach, hot tub, whatever. And one thing I would like to note, in my shower testing, the loudness drops dramatically when submerged. And I say submerged in the shower, which is basically me just holding it under the shower head and letting the speaker grill fill up with water. The sound quality and the volume decreases significantly, and that's because of physics, and there's water in here. That's another layer of material that the sound waves have to pass through, and it gets muffled. And that can easily be remedied just by taking it, dumbing it upside down. Your sound quality comes back immediately. So overall, it's one of the more versatile, well-rounded speakers I've taken a look at here on the channel. Again, with this suction cup, you can stick it pretty much anywhere, to the wall of the shower, to your table, to your phone if you're even feeling that. Pretty much anywhere you want to have this sitting, it will go there. I do believe that you can also take the suction cup off and let it rest on the table or counter or whatever like a normal Bluetooth speaker would. So again, that just adds to the versatility of it. This is currently on Amazon for $34.99, which, you know, isn't that bad. It's not too expensive, it's not super cheap. Again, it's very middle of the road. I'll have this link down in the description below, you can check it out. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that way you don't miss any of my future videos. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys. Until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.